Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see the difference between line and polyline. Click on line and draw some random lines. To stop drawing lines, press Escape. Now let us draw a polyline by selecting Polyline from the menu. Just like in line, press Escape to stop. We have both line and polyline here. So what is the difference between both of them? Here we can select each line as a separate entity. We can move them, delete them, or change length, color, and any other property. In a polyline, the entire set of lines is a single entity and gets highlighted as a whole. I will undo the changes to do the next activity. Now let us see how to convert a set of lines into a polyline. Select all the lines and type J, meaning join. When you click on the object, the entire object is selected like a polyline. Now let us see how to separate objects in a polyline into individual parts. Select the entire object and type X for explode. Now you can see that the polyline has been broken down into separate lines that can be handled individually. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.